Yesterday, I told you that there were users who were complaining about pale colors on the Galaxy S24 Ultra screen. I more or less explained to you the reasons and that it was not as such due to a bug or screen failure. But Samsung has listened to its users and has decided that in the next update, it is going to recalibrate the screen colors again. This because both the normal setting and the vivid setting were showing very similar colors. And I think there was a good percentage of users who wanted much more saturated colors when they selected the vivid mode, so it looks like Samsung will finally grant the wishes of these users. And just a reminder that also if you enable natural tone mode, which is a new mode that Samsung integrates in this generation, the colors might look a little bit different depending on the environment that you're in. So if you prefer fully saturated colors, you also need to disable that option. This has come to light after Forbes Media reported that Samsung's customer service chat assured one of those who was reporting this problem that Samsung's developer team is already working on an upcoming update. So there is no doubt that Samsung's next update is going to finish perfecting the device, because in photography it also feels like it needs to finish polishing. So we will all be waiting for this update, which by the way was said to be coming since a week ago, but it never arrived. So let's keep waiting for it. Apparently this update will arrive along with the February security patch, so we will have to keep an eye out for it.